Have you entered a plea of guilty in the state of Oklahoma and are now wondering if you can take that plea back? Hi, I'm Oklahoma City Attorney Aaron Easton, and today we're going to talk about motioning the court to withdraw a plea of guilty. And Title 22, Section 517 of the Oklahoma statutes actually allows the district court in which you made the plea of guilty to grant a motion for you to withdraw that plea. Now, probably one of the most important things to point out right out of the gate is your chances for success on a motion to withdraw your plea are generally greater the nearer you are in time to when you entered that plea. So if it's something you motion the court for pretty quickly after, the better your chances are. However, that doesn't mean you don't have any chance down the road, because you certainly do. So speaking of that, briefly we'll just discuss some of the more common reasons a court may grant your motion to withdraw your plea. And the first of those is the ineffective assistance or ineffective advice of counsel. So if the court determines that your counsel that you had at the time you entered the plea, didn't investigate your case properly, didn't present exonerating evidence to the state during the plea bargaining process or to the court, if they determined that they didn't notify you or explain to you the consequences of what a guilty plea would lead to, or exactly what you were pleading to in the first place, it's possible the court could grant your motion to withdraw that plea. Another reason is if the court determined at the time you entered the plea you were not competent to do so. And that could be because of mental health reasons, substance abuse reasons, things of that nature. But essentially, if the court determines that the plea you entered was not knowing and intelligent, they may grant your motion to withdraw that plea. A third reason is if there's some constitutional problem within the process, a violation of your constitutional rights, such as maybe instead of not having counsel at all, maybe instead of having ineffective assistance of counsel, you just didn't have counsel. So your Sixth Amendment rights weren't upheld during this process. And then lastly, the court can grant a motion to withdraw your plea if there has been some new evidence of your innocence, evidence that would exonerate you from the crime that you had pled guilty to. Again, another reason a court can grant your withdrawal of a plea. So if you find yourself in a situation in which you have pled guilty and you want to know if there's a chance you can withdraw that plea, you're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially about the specific facts and circumstances of your own case. To speak to somebody at my firm for a free consultation, you can reach us online at postconviction.lawyer or by phone at 405-888-5400.